Alright, 2013 Mazda air conditioning. Now, I said I would demonstrate the visual sight glass from Mastercool, and I made a previous video on this Mastercool, and one that I got off eBay that was cheaper, but I dropped it a long time ago and broke the glass. And so this is the new one with the Mastercool, and we discovered the eBay one I got was exactly the same as the Mastercool, but a lot cheaper. So if you like to have a fancy sticker and pay for a plastic box, you could go ahead and get the original one, or you could look up and find the eBay one for a bit cheaper. So one thing I noticed right off the bat, and I'm not sure if it's just, so I'm using my pre-existing hose. I know there's no problem with this hose. I'm using one of my old pre-existing hoses. I'm not using their hoses, but I noticed some leak down. Let's see. Watch this. Let me turn off the vacuum and watch the microns. Boom. We went right over 3,000 like that. So it's not moisture, it's a leak. So I'm gonna suspect it is either where these caps screw in, and the way we're gonna prove that, and unless it's these valves right here. But what I'm gonna do is do one at a time. I'm gonna do these caps. I'm gonna unscrew these caps. I'm gonna put nylog around the O-ring and threads, put the caps back on. If it holds, it's their seals at their caps. So let's find out. You gotta wait for the next video because I need to put my camera down to do this. All right. So that's straight out of the box from Mastercool. It has a leak. No good. No bueno, dude.